to show you how to utilize these JSONs that I have that I'll be placing in school, and how you can add these into your own n8n by simple copy and paste. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to highlight this JSON script here, all right? And we can say copy, or we can say Control C, and then we're going to go into n8n. I've already got one here. I'm going to get out of it. I'm not going to save. I'm going to make it a whole brand new clean workflow. And first off, if you right click, you won't see a paste in the screen. So you're just going to go Control V. I'm on Windows, and you'll be able to paste that straight into the workflow. Okay, and will be mostly fully functional, so you can see any custom stuff, like code. It's all included in there. The only things you really have to hook up are accounts. So like if you've got Go High Level or Google Sheets or it's Airtable or whatever, where it requires a connection to that service so that you can create a node to it. Those are the only ones you should really have to hook up, or any modifications you want to do to the basic generic setup that I've put out here. But that's it to copy from the JSON script into a new workflow. And then you just hit save, and boom, and do your connections, and you're set up and you're ready to go. Okay.